Welcome to the new Spring-Ford website. Founded in 1998, Finalsite has grown to be the leader in the K-12 public, independent, and international schools, serving more than 1,500 schools and districts worldwide. Let's take a closer look at a few of the major differences between School Fusion and Finalsite. For starters, you'll notice a whole new look and feel, though the content remains the same. On the homepage, the top section features rotating pictures and updates. These updates can link to a news story or another page, such as Back to School News. Another new feature is how we return to the homepage. Once we've gathered our information and are ready to return home, we'll click on the Spring-Ford crest or name in the upper left corner. Also on the homepage, you'll see interactive buttons that will direct you to another page, such as extracurricular or student registration. Next, you'll see District News. This section replaces the Announcements section of the School Fusion homepage. A news update may include a full news story, link to another page, or a short update. Also on the homepage is a district calendar. Click View Full Calendar to see the entire month, and then click the blue filter box to select your school or schools. Now let's take a look at a school page. When navigating from school to school or across multiple grade levels, you'll see the layouts may vary slightly. This is so that each individual school or grade level can customize the experience for their specific parent or student. Each school will have an announcement section, upcoming events, and Spring-Ford news on the homepage, as well as links to About, Health Services, Media Center, School Counseling, and a directory. As we navigate from page to page, you'll notice the 3 tabs on the right side of the page remain the same. These quick tabs will redirect you to the section identified, like Skyward or the one-page calendar. Up next, we'll learn about the Parent Portal.